Right, it's a biological predisposition, and this is the same phenomenon we see with X-Men. You know, you may not be Christopher Reeve is actually the alter ego, and not Superman. He was born Superman, so he was born a superhero.
How do I feel about
Right,
Because you have to have it in you. It doesn't just appear.
Right, it's a biological predisposition, and this is the same phenomenon we see with X-Men. You know, you
Racquetball, and you're just. Well, okay, we didn't expect that.
This guy is like, he just puts snot, he's always got a cold,
what Einstein
always
would do
wiping his nose,
he would
touching
doze
my-
off with an object in his
because, I
hand.
mean, you're not just
And
the
as you're about to
jacket.
fall asleep, the object will drop and he will wake and remember his hallucination. Because if the brain transitions from different brain
Is this your workout routine, or is this how you meet the opposite sex?
back to the alpha. Yo, here's what. Let me give you a contemporary definition of a
Razor
paradox.
burn.
You have a graffiti artist, and you're technologically inclined, but you're not intelligent, Tony Stark.
Okay, thanks a lot. I really appreciate that. Glad to have you on the show. You can come at me. No, seriously, I have the skin tone for
No,
it.
you really are.
I have the skin tone, and I have the elasticity in my
What is the
nose
significance? What is it?
from pretending that I'm a boxer.
Yo, here's what. Let me give you a
You look great,
contemporary
but,
definition of
here's
a
the thing, and this
paradox.
is in lies
You
the
have a
problem with,
graffiti artist.
if I
Touching
let
my
truck go,
apples and
but I can't hear
it's
that
just
great.
it's upsetting. It's
despicable.
Can you bring
it's a
it
paradox.
closer, or you've got the
Paradox.
headset.
It's a paradox.
How is this? That's better?
It's a
No.
pair of ducks.
That's not a paradox.
Paradox isn't a paradox.
I thought
best
Tony
TV show ever created?
Stark, Iron Man, is you're technologically inclined, but you're not intelligent, Tony Stark.
Okay, thanks a lot. I really appreciate that. Glad to have you on the show.
Listen, I don't know what a the only thing I know is a byproduct of those ballpark franks.
Well,
They put that's why I eat butter sausage. I love butter sausage.
I don't know.
Well,
how-
a
Yeah.
byproduct.
Stuff that I
Let me
said is
explain. A
pretty
byproduct is a.
Is it-
What do you
is
just
it
say?
a
Butter
jacket that you're
sausage.
ironing?
Byproduct. That means
I've done a
sense.
lot of projects in LA. I did a lot of studio projects. I got invited to a lot of shows. Pasadena Media, primarily in LA, they had a lot of studio shows. So I got invited to do a lot of lectures on
What are we trying to do with
specifically
the
subjects that I found intriguing. And so what I did was I published on my website a consolidation of a number of different subjects I lectured on, and also things I did on a personal level. So what my website is really based on is a consolidation of a number of different subjects where I discuss the physics. Our consciousness is something that we have to proactively take initiative to a lot. They used to explore something called power hypnagogy.
Yes, she's a classic.
Power hypnagogy have two areas. You have hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination. Hypnopompic hallucination occurs on the onset of sleep. Hypnagogic occurs on the offset. And what Einstein would do is he would doze off with an object in his hands. And as he's about to fall asleep, the object will drop and he will wake and remember his hallucination. Because if the brain transitions from different brain states, from the deep delta state, the theta state, back to the alpha, while it's transitioning, you may not be able to recollect it.
texture. I like how it's
Just like when you try to return something at Whole Foods, if an Amazon product, sometimes they'll tell you to go to another store.
That is such a bad.
Oh, we don't do it.
That's such a bad and doze off.
How dare you? Our first fight.
Yeah, that's a bad analogy.
No, but it's true. I just went into Whole Foods and I tried to return something, and they said, "No, this says you have to do it at another store."
Yeah. They do that sometimes. Because see, how you like this jacket?
I really like it.
Yeah. I'm not changing it again because people think I'm wealthy. So any more deep questions about music, drawing, art?
How about Christmas? You celebrate Christmas?
No.
Two crows.
You don't believe in the written whatever? Is it a pagan thing? How do you see
Okay,
Christmas?
so here we go.
I don't
This is what
focus
we
on
got.
things
Oh, I
that
love it.
don't
I love
really align with my general interest. I see
don't
more of
really
a
know
distraction.
what this guy
So I'm probably going to spend Christmas studying stuff like drawing, painting, art, music. Just again, you know, our state, our consciousness is something that we have to proactively take.
Guy that bags groceries at the Ralph's down the street. This guy is.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you what will cause that. Lysergic acid diethylamide, LSD, or psilocybin, mushroom, or dimethyltryptamine. Big term for DMT. Any sort of psychoactive substance that temporarily alters the state of mind, really transcends you into a place. And this is what Einstein and Hendricks used to do a lot. They used to explore something called power hypnagogia. Power hypnagogia have two areas.
My favorite villain is this guy that bags groceries at the because I mean you're not just the jacket. Let me ask you a philosophical question about something that's not philosophical.
Yeah.
Where do we go when we sleep?
Power hypnagogia have two areas. You have hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination. Hypnopompic hallucination occurs on the onset of sleep. Hypnagogic occurs on the offset. And what Einstein would do is he would doze off with an object in his hand. And as you're about to fall asleep, the object will drop and he will wake and remember his hallucination. Because if the brain transitions from different brain state, from the deep delta state, do you want a true, genuine intellectual answer?
I don't know. How long does that take?
Well, no, I don't see anything at all. I'm just admiring myself and enjoying your presence and being on the show with freaking Tony Stark himself, Iron Man.
Well, I don't remember getting you any presents, but
So when you take Viagra, do you get a hard-on twice?
when people take Viagra for me, no, they chew it up and then put it in my mouth. No, I don't do Viagra. I do they reverse engineer Allegra